But the art, I mean, statues, painting, jewels. It was like every direction was screaming for our attention. And then, of course, we found her. Mona Lisa. She's a sight to behold for sure. If you have never been, it's definitely something worth experiencing.
We couldn't find clothes that matched our vibe, so we made them.
Now people stop us and say, "Where did you get that shirt?"
We smile and say upbeatoutfits.com.
You want to match the vibe? You know where to go.